Hey guys, welcome back to Sparkle Kids. So today we're gonna be doing a video about opening toys. We got all these monies from our Eid monies, and these are like so cool. We got a racket to play with, a frisbee, and a puzzle, and a gun. And it's a cool gun here. So first we're gonna start with the gun, and let's cut this out. And now we're gonna do it. Take this up from the back, and let's do the down part from the bullets. Wow! Here are the bullets. Here's the number 1. Okay, number 1. It's super hard to take it out. We're gonna test it. So, and it costed actually it costed 40 crowns to us. And let's go. It's not that, it's like 2 liter and a big gun for it, and some more stuff, accessories with it. Like this. Okay, he's gonna try it. Oh no! He forgot to water. Okay, next we're gonna go with the puzzle. Okay, and now let's cut it out. Let's cut it. Okay, just load it. And then put it. And here is the puzzle we got here. Let's open it. It has 100 pieces and it costs 70 crowns. It's with 100 pieces that my brother really liked it, so he got it. Here's the bag. It's inside a bag. So next is the frisbee. The frisbee is 10 crowns. It says as the bag. Let's try it one time. I'm gonna go to the bed. It's like just perfect. I really like the frisbee. And the last and at least we have a racket. We're gonna open it so it's okay. This goes. And here is the stuff we need later. These are the racket here, and this can be toy with. I have no idea. What are these for? Maybe they're for the standing or for height or something. And this costed 120 crowns to us, and another one with it. And thanks for watching. For today's video, it was a short video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the like button down in the below.